welcome much for opening this video. So I'm still onto the renovation. I remember this was an open space that I have now enclosed or blocked off, you know, and I use concrete board, ladies and gentlemen. So he is still plastering, but I would say this drywall man or concrete board man did a good job. You notice the finishing is even, so when it is white, it is dry. We use a shore coat on this. We use a shore coat on this. So what will happen now is that this has to be, or if you notice, my hand, when you go like this, it's white, right? So the painters will have to wipe this off first before they paint the wall. So this is gonna be the new kitchen. Loving it so far. We're also gonna see if we can just do something with these cabinets to get them looking good, right? All right, so that's one part of the renovation we need to complete. So what's left to be done in here now is a painting, and then we would have been finished with this one. Thank you so much. Remember, be great to yourself and buy real estate.